guys, this is Will of Will H Tech Review, and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the all-new Amazon Fire 7-inch tablet. So you can pick this up on Amazon.com. The price right now is $49.99. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. But this is the all-new Fire 7 tablet, 7-inch display, 16 gigabytes of storage, and this is the Sage color. You can get this in 16 gigabytes or 32 gigabytes of storage. Also, you can get this with the special offers on the lock screen or without. And this has the 4 different colors right here: black, plum, sage, and twilight blue. And I think to get the special offers off, you have to pay a little bit more money. But that's cool. And so let's take a look at some of the specs and details about this thing. So this is engineered and tested by Amazon. Fire 7 is our best selling tablet, now 2 times the storage, faster quad-core processor, hands-free with Alexa, and 2 times as durable as the latest iPad mini. Complete tasks, enjoy movies, and that's my other device over there with Alexa on it, talking to me. But this is 2 times as durable as the latest iPad mini. Complete tasks, enjoy movies on the go, browse recipes, ask her for weather, and making your everyday easier. You can enjoy movies, TV episodes, games, apps, ebooks, and songs. Stream and download thousands of videos from Prime Video, Netflix, Stars, Showtime. Discover over 570,000 apps and games, 475,000 audible titles, and millions of songs. All right, so let's look at some of the specs on this. So this has a 7-inch IPS display, 16 gigabytes of 16 or 32 gigabytes of internal storage. You can add a micro SD card up to 512 gigabytes. Faster 1.3 gigahertz processor. Now the 8-inch size runs that same processor, so this should be a little bit faster, a little bit speedier. Up to 7 hours of reading, browsing the web, watching video, and listening to music. Now you do have the hands-free Alexa, 1 gigabyte of RAM, a 2 megapixel front and rear-facing camera with 720 HD video recording, dual band Wi-Fi, and only a 90-day limited warranty. So I think the PPI is like 171, I think I read on this, on the display. But let's take a look at it, get this unboxed. Okay guys, so here's the packaging that it comes in. You can see, let's get this out of this plastic. Has a bright orange container here. So you can see Amazon Fire with Alexa, 16 gigabytes. And here's the back. A lot of the specs that I read off right there, long-lasting battery. This has the 1024 by 600 resolution. Let's see if I missed anything on here. So that's basically it. I think I read off most of this stuff in the first part of the video right there. What's included? You get the 7 tablet Night. So this is the 9th generation. The Amazon Fire tablet, power adapter, USB charging cable, built-in rechargeable battery, personalized special offers, and sponsored screen savers. So let's get this open. Quick, convenient pull tab right there. Now I went with the sage color this time. I've had the black one, I've had the plum, I think I've had the blue one. So I had different colors, so I just wanted something a little different this time. These tablets are excellent just to have laying around. If you, I watch videos and YouTube and stuff like that on them, read some books. But these are not very powerful tablets. These are just for entertainment here. So you get your welcome paperwork here. Gives you a little information on different things there. That's that. Fun for kids. Browse your way. Watch and read. Just a lot of information there that you can get. Also get a little instruction. Tells you what's in the box, how to use it, how to turn it on, things of that nature. Get a little charging brick right here. And you get your USB to Type A charging cable there. Still using, these are not Type C. So here's the device. And this is very tiny, man. I can tell you right now. Look at this. Let's take a look at this color. And that's a nice color, man. I really, really like this color. It's something different. It's kind of a, I would say olive green. But it looks nice. I'm really glad I picked up this color. You do have your 2 megapixel rear facing camera. The little Amazon logo right there. At the top, you got your power button, your USB charging port, microphone, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack in the house. Volume up and down. You got your single speaker here. And then on this side, you got your micro SD card slot right here. And you just take your nail and open it up. That's how it goes. And yeah, that's it, man. On the front, you got your other 2 megapixel camera right there. And this is a 7-inch display. So these are nice to have in the hand. This is a nice size. I'm going to go ahead and power it up. We'll take a look at how much storage out of the box you get and just take a look at the interface. So stand by, guys. Okay, guys, so we're back in, got all the information in the device and got it powered up. So here's the start screen. As you can see, they do have a lot of Amazon apps on here. And as you can see, you get your self browser, you get your App Store, Amazon App Store there. You can load the Play Store on here. And I'm probably going to do that. There are videos out there that show you how to do that. Don't take very long to load them up. You get Prime Video, you know, a bunch of Amazon stuff here. You get the Amazon Music. You do get docs, contacts, calendar, clock, your weather, and things of that nature. And if you stroll over, you get your books. You can access your books, your videos here. If you have a Prime account, this thing is excellent for that. You get your games here. You also get to shop with Amazon. You get your apps right here, your music, Amazon Music, Audible books, and you get your newsstand. So that's one thing I like about these tablets. You can put a new launcher on here, but I prefer to use them like this. And also, let's go ahead and check. The screen is all the way up, as you can see. So it's pretty bright, not too bright, but good enough. Let's go ahead and check the storage on here. Out of 16 gigabytes here. Let's see what we get out the box. So you got 9.46 gigabytes free to use out the box. And so far seems to be performing pretty well, man. No problems at all here. So let's check out the speakers here. Let's go to YouTube and check out, see if I can look up Will H Tech Review here. And also get a little chance to see how fast this Silk browser is. So we're right there. Let's search Will H Tech Review, so you get a chance to see the keyboard here as well. Very easy to type on the keyboard. Here we go, Will H Tech Review. It has one speaker on it, so we'll get a chance to see hear how the speaker sounds. So let's cue up this video. There's the speaker, one little speaker. And there's the video. So this is what you'll get looking at it. Not bad. for a $50 tablet. That's what you have to keep in mind, man. So not too bad. And the speaker's not too bad at all on it. Let's check the lock screen. See if we get an ad here. Yep, you get an ad. So if you don't want that ad, you can pay a little bit more to get rid of that. Let's check the Alexa. Alexa, what's the weather in Alexandria, Louisiana?
Right now in Alexandria, it's 83 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies. Today's forecast has some sun and thunderstorms with a high...
Okay, so that's the Alexa right there. So now, guys, let's do a little bit of size comparison. So I do have the older generation here. This is the magenta or plum or purple. I'm not sure what color this is, but I have this one. And here's the Sage that I got this time. You can see the color difference there. About the same size physically, but as you can see, they moved the speaker from the back and they moved it over to the side here. So that's a change in it. The camera's still in the same place. Also on the back of it, you no longer have Amazon wording there. You just have the little swoosh or arrow right there. And then at the top of it, you can see they made some changes here as well. Let me get this in frame here. So you can see that they did move the volume and the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, the power, and the charging port in the same place right there. So the only difference is right there. And let's take a look at the big boy here. So this is the 10-inch version here, and it's blue color. Just for reference, if you're thinking about buying this one, you can see how big of the 10-inch version is right here. Same difference right there. Camera's in the same place, and as you can see here, the layout is pretty much the same on this as the 10-inch, with the buttons, the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack and things. About the same on that. So the 10-inch is going to be a big, huge device. And then here's one more little reference. My Note 9, which has the 6.4-inch display versus the 7-inch display right here. As you can see, so this is very manageable. This is a really good size for a tablet that you want to read on, or just throw in your bag, let the kids play with. Doesn't matter if they break it, it's only 50 bucks. But these are very durable tablets, I can tell you that. They are very durable. And so good price on it. And I'll do a few more reviews on this, videos on this, and let you guys, I'll compare it with the other one. But the 1.3 gigahertz processor should be the same performance as the 8-inch, which I had, but I got rid of that one. So, all right, guys, Will H Tech Review. Catch y'all in the next video. I'm out.